Hey friends, if you wish to change the keyboard layout on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the time and language tab and then select language and region. Okay, here's where the magic comes. We have multiple options here. So click on the current language, which is the current one, the one which is at the top, and the one which is the display language, which is English United States. Just see where I'm hovering my mouse. Click on the three dots associated with it and select language options. Okay. And then you can change the keyboard layout by clicking on add a keyboard. And then you can change a different kind of a keyboard, though they are almost the same if it is English, but still. Okay, so we already had US QWERTY here, and now we have English India. So if I want to make it the primary one, you can just I mean keep it here, and then you have this option. So now your keyboard would recognize both of them. This is the case. Okay, but this should be the primary language here. If not, then change it accordingly, or push the appropriate language to the top. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.